Alright, Paul. You were asking about these chases. That is just support. That's the old exterior wall. You can see where that wall was going down right there. We actually had to come in here and float this floor out. I don't know if you can tell that, but you've got a separate height. You got two different heights there. Talking about the vents, okay, starting right here, we've got one vent. We got the living room vent. And you've got the other bedroom vent. So, and then going through, going through, we've got the vent for the kitchen right here. Show you all the tile floor, looking good in here. This is the return. I just spoke with him about putting another return right there, and then also putting a return in this door right here. So, and the only other option was to put the return on the other side of the wall right there. In addition, we've got our vent for the restroom right there. And as you can see, there's not a chase right there. So we're not extending heating or AC for this back bedroom area or bathroom area. Does have a window, but let me know what you think.